Good morning, guys. Well, I don't know if you can hear this. I'll go around the side. Hopefully you can hear it on the microphone, but this is the monks doing their chant for the morning. They've been basically doing it all night. So I think there's about 70 or 80 monks. Milo's up and about, But let's go down and see what's going on down the restaurant. Tam's already been down there a while. She didn't wake me up. Just managed to wake up myself, so let's go and have a look. But I know Tam's cooking pad krapao, and she's cooking it, I think, for about 70 people. So, yeah, bless her. Let's go and have a look. So yeah, a bit dark. Morning. Have a look, see what's going on. I could smell that. Good morning, everyone. Good night.
Morning.
Good morning. So what is it you're cooking, darling? Pad krapao?
Kakao, fried egg,
Mm-hmm.
can put in microwave the box.
Yeah, definitely. You cook enough eggs?
70 eggs.
70 eggs.
Yeah. No one look at the kakao over there. I can throw that way.
My inside. Oh, now that is pad krapao. I do like pad krapao. I'm not 100% sure what ceremony this is. It's obviously quite a Buddhist thing in the village. I reckon they must have a load of monks from all over the place come, because there's so many here. I've got some photos of the actual monks and everything that are here, so I will screenshot them and I'll put them on. So, like I said, it's quite early in the morning. It's just gone 4, I think. So the girls have already been up and they've cooked and prepped and pretty much done what they got to do. I'm going to grab myself if you can see in there, and let's have coffee. No, you can't see it there. I'll wake myself up somehow. Oh, I've got some more rice going on. I'll pop back to you in a bit. Catch you in a bit. So that's one batch. We're Tam's busy waiting on some rice, so she's cooking more pad krapao. I'll show you the process. So can you tell everybody what this is actually in aid of for the monks? Is it a big celebration, or are they?
We call Ngan Pariwat. If people can listen Thai.
Yeah.
And 60 monks.
60 monks, yeah.
Pray and talk. Pray for people before. Pray for everything, for the God. And yeah, and they will feed monks And people in temple to monk 60. People about 20, about 80.
So about 80 people you're going to feed today. And to tell everybody how this has been funded so you can do all this. How people...
People put money.
Yeah.
Mark put money. My husband put money.
I
and
put
my
money.
friend and niece and everybody can put money, and then we have money. How much we have, and then we buy the food. Same people. How to call English? Donate.
Donate, yeah.
Yeah,
That's
donate.
it.
Yeah. If we have a lot, we cook a lot. We have a little bit, we cook a little bit. It's for good luck and good for feeling too.
Yeah. Good luck for us, good luck for the restaurant. All very good. Around this way, in your way. You have to cook pad krapai really, because that's your best seller, isn't it, really? Pad krapai.
We cook already. Bigger, but too big.
I know, I woke up this morning and I thought, oh, what can I smell? Yeah. What's that, pepper?
Yeah, pepper.
White pepper.
White pepper. More color. Make a color.
Well, that certainly is a pad krapai. Yeah, I just steam that off, won't it?
Secret.
Secret.
Magic powder.
Yeah. We know all about that magic powder.
Magic powder. With the sugar. With the salt.
What sauce is that? Oyster sauce.
Then we have a pork. Fish sauce.
I like the way you just chuck it in there.
Up to fill.
I cook anything, I've got to measure it all out.
Magic hand. Ready? More sweet.
Need more sweet. So she'll just boil that down now until it goes a bit drier. There's a krapai going in.
Yeah.
That's it. Smells lovely. Oh, That's Tom's large version of the pad kra for the monks. So yeah, so basically then it's feeding about 80 people today. So sunrise is just coming up. Let's have a little nose around. You can just hear the monks in the background, but they've been chanting all night. They haven't stopped all night long, and I mean they started at I think it was about 7 o'clock, I think, last night, because we were in the restaurant. So let's have a quick look at this sunrise. Everybody likes a sunrise, don't they? If we can see it. A bit further over, so let's pop round the back, have a quick look. Oh, good morning. Right, let's pop that down. So these are all going to be individually wrapped by the looks of it. And then we're going to take these down to the temple in a minute. So I'll take you guys down there as well. But there's a few more to make yet. Just waiting on some more rice again, so that's a lot of pad kra. So this is the boot of Tom's niece's car. I've just chucked a load more in there. Be a few more going down, and we'll be out heading off down to the temple. Oops. Oops. Then we'll be heading off down to the temple. I don't know quite know what that was. So yeah, let's head off down to the temple, and we'll go and put these down so they're ready to give out to the monks later. So we've just got down to the temple. As you can see, it's a bit of a hive of activity. Lots going on, a lot of people about. Okay, you got one? Yep. Okay. Cut. So a lot of people in the village have done a lot of different food. So it'll all be brought down and put down here. So yeah, there's a lot of mouths to feed down here. I think, like I said, I think there's about 60 or 70 monks plus all the other people who are down here helping and what have you. It's a big celebration, so. So all the Tom and the girls' hard work this morning, it's all paid off to come down and make merry.
จ้างเขียนไปจ้างคนนี้
จ้าง
เขียนอันนี้ไปจ้างคนนี้เขาฟังจะฟัง
60 จ้ะ
เขาคิดฟังก็หา
เขียนนี่มันขอกองมาร่วม
การเขียนตัวเองตัวนี้
ขอกองมาร่วม
แล้วเขาจะดูเยอะขึ้นเลย
ผมบอกเลย
So that's it, guys. We've brought our bits and pieces down, and we're going to head off and leave them to it because Tam's got to open up the restaurant. Well, she's got to go off and get the fresh vegetables and the food, meat she needs. So she'll be going off to get that this morning. As you can see, there's loads of rice and, you know, all the village of. Well, not all the village, but a lot of the village have chipped in, done a little bit, all helps and everything else. So it's all about making merit in Thailand and do good, you receive good. So there you go, guys. That's it. We're going to head off. Thank you very, very much for tuning in to this one. Only a short little vlog, this, just to show you what what Tam's been up to and the girls. So until the next one, guys, take care of yourselves, take it easy, and we'll see you soon. Take care, bye bye.